Have you ever spent hours trying to chop up a single long video into shorter, shareable clips for your social channels? I used to do that all the time, manually trimming and captioning until I found a smarter way to work. Recently, I had to turn a massive onboarding guide for new hires into a series of viral-ready clips. Instead of editing every single second myself, I let Vizard do the heavy lifting for me. It basically acts like a content machine, analyzing long videos to find the most engaging and actionable moments. If you have ever been buried in a 2-hour recording and needed 10 snackable posts, you will totally get why this is a game changer. When you upload your long video, the AI instantly gets to work identifying those emotional beats and quotable lines. The first time I tried it, I expected generic snippets, but instead, I got a curated timeline of punchy, high-impact highlights. It felt like somebody had scanned the entire recording for the internet and picked out the absolute best parts for me. Let me walk you through how I set this up for my own onboarding guide. I dropped the full video into the dashboard and hit process, then just grabbed a cup of coffee while the AI went to work. When I returned, the workspace was organized with a smart table of contents and a list of potential clips. I could preview everything in seconds and toggle edits without ever needing to guess where to make the cut. What really impressed me was how natural the clips felt, avoiding those awkward mid-sentence jumps. Vizard prioritizes clean start and stop points so your message actually lands the way you intended. People often ask me why I don't just use those avatar-first video creation tools for everything. While those tools are great for making polished visuals, they stop at the initial content creation phase. If your goal is actual distribution, getting dozens of short posts scheduled and out the door, you need something more. That is exactly where Vizard shines. It is about building an ongoing automated content pipeline. I used the auto schedule function, which let me set a posting frequency without manually picking every single time slot. It spaced similar clips out so I wasn't repeating the same message too close together, keeping my feed fresh. The content calendar is one of those features that feels like magic once you start using it. It allows my team to collaborate by dragging and dropping posts if we need to swap things around last minute. For a small team, this level of organization pays back the time saved on editing tenfold. You can definitely still use other creative tools to get that specific, polished, cinematic vibe when you need it. The trick is treating those tools as creative inputs while letting Vizard handle the systematic heavy lifting. Here is a pro tip. Always give the AI a bit of context, like who the audience is, so the suggestions get even sharper. Also, don't be afraid to tweak the captions, as a little bit of human touch goes a long way. After the first week, I tracked the metrics to see which clips performed best across different platforms. The emotional peaks did fantastic on TikTok, while the quick how-to snippets were perfect for LinkedIn. Vizard allowed me to test content across channels without rebuilding the same video from scratch a dozen times. When you think about the total time saved, the ROI is incredibly obvious compared to any manual editing tool. It is essentially the difference between making one great video and building an entire social presence from one single recording. If you are curious to try it, just start by uploading one long-form asset and letting the AI generate 5 clips. You will likely find that saving hours of manual labor is the most valuable part of the whole process. Once you see how easily your story can be multiplied across all your social channels, you will never want to go back. So stop burning your team out with manual editing and start treating your long-form content like a digital goldmine. It is time to make your content work as hard as you do. If you want a walkthrough of the specific UI steps, let me know and I can show you exactly how I do it. Let's turn your next long recording into an entire month of content.